they spin, so it's easy for you guys to pick the ones that are in the other side. Is $6.75 per pound. And these buckets for strawberries, they hold around 5 to 6 pounds. So you pick as much as you need. And for oranges, we have this type of bag, and it's $12.95 per bag. So it doesn't matter if you fill it halfway or all the way to the top, it's gonna be fine.
Mario.
So cute. Don't step in those. All right, Autumn, where are we going?
Orange picking.
Orange picking?
Hopefully one of our tree grows as big. Today's St. Patrick's Day.
Are you feeling lucky?
Maybe.
You think we're gonna get enough oranges to fill this bag? That would be lucky. Not yet. They said they're growing peach trees too. Yeah, Maddie just reached right over and we had to hold hands. Right, Maddie? These girls over there. Cute little farmer girls. Oh, I see some trees down there. Let's move over about 4 rows. All right. There you go, Autumn.
Here, Macy, how about this one?
Pull it. Harder. Yeah.
Let me take you.
Here you go.
We got our first one.
You got one? Is that a St. Patrick's Day orange?
Yeah.
Here, this one over here. Look.
St. Patrick's. I'm putting
On the very bottom.
on my phone.
Very bottom.
I said, is that a St. Patrick's Day orange?
Right there, the one at the very bottom.
There you go.
When I was down there, I saw it.
Look, there's flowers.
Twist it. Twist it a little more. There you go.
Me and Macy are on a team.
Get that one.
It has brown on it.
Oh, you got to pick it up from the very bottom.
Okay,
Yep,
Mommy,
pull it.
You're picking strawberries.
Break it, break it.
Me and Macy are doing onions.
There you go. We're only going to get a couple onions.
Shake it in the pot.
Shake it in the pot. There you go. Oh, there you go.
Look at my face.
All right, put in the basket.
Me and Macy are
Neat.
picking onions.
Very good.
Phew.
Now we can tell when it's ready, you can actually see the onion above the roots, nice and big. So look for one that's the big ones that are on top of the dirt. Macy, what is this right here?
Cauliflower.
Cauliflower.
I want it.
Let's look and see. Make sure there's one that's ready.
They're not selling them yet, honey. They're still growing.
Are they selling the cabbage?
No. He just said onion.
Oh, okay. Look at this one. Who wants to pick that, baby?
Is this for Mama?
Yep.
We're gonna make strawberry juice.
We sure can. Whoa, look at this, Macy. It's not ready for picking, but what is that?
That's cauliflower. I don't see it. This one?
Yeah.
It's not so long.
There you go. Is that a good one?
Yeah, I think it's got like It's sitting right here.
Oh, good. All right. We need a few more than that. Pick one more row. There you go. This looks like a good row. Here, let's go down this row. Ooh, I see some red ones from here.
I'm gonna get that. I see here. Come on. You're ready to picking.
All right, let's get them. There you go.
I made a cool this one. Is this good?
Yeah.
It's not good when I put it. I had to put.
Look at them. Look at this one.
Which one? We have to take the stem off.
So they can spit.
Today was definitely our lucky day. More time together.